सोसायटीर जें जालां तें इट्स एन अनफॉर्च्युनेट थिंग. It is not man-made, but it is also out of negligence. It is also out of neglect which is there for years. And it is something which this government inherits. It is not a creation of this government. आता जो उजो लागला तो उजो लागता because of methane coming from below the air. Basically methane that is produced. आम्ही आता जो कितें एक्सरसाइज केल्या तो ऑक्सिजन ते बॅक्टेरिया दिवपाचो बंद केला. We basically put mud and stopped oxygen flow to that so that the fire does not come. The possibility of this being a long-term solution should not be counted. Long-term solution has to come. And the long-term solution has to come very quickly. We'll take a clear cut. Public जे उलयता की segregatedच waste येवंक जाय म्हणटा. हांव पूर्ण सहमतान आहा लोकां बरोबर. कित्याक सरकाराची पॉलिसीज अशी आहा. मुख्यमंत्री एक कंपोस्टिंग मशीन दिता स्वच्छ भारताच्या नांवान. सो इट इज सिंबॉलीक ऑफ एंड यू हॅव टू प्रॅक्टीस वॉट यू प्रीच. सो पयले लोकांक आमी जें कितें सांगतात तें आमी प्रॅक्टीस करूंक जाय. म्हणटकर सेग्रिगेटेड वेस्ट थंय फक्त सेग्रिगेटेड वेस्ट येवंक जाय.